At Viking Plastics in Scottsburg, Indiana, we provide high-quality products and services throughout the U.S. At our 120,000 square foot facility, we house over 40 injection molding machines ranging from 180 to 720 ton. At Viking Plastics Indiana, we specialize in automotive interior components, producing parts for interior door, structural support, sunroofs, seat trim, and functional components utilized in headrests. In addition to injection molding, we also provide value-add secondary processes, including assembly and pad printing, and partnerships to supply chroming, wrapping, and painting. Many of our automotive interior parts have a beautiful Class A finish and perfect product quality. We mold a variety of materials, including reinforced elastomers, TPE and ABS, polycarbonate and polypropylene for structural strength, while meeting customer visual approvals and engineering requirements. At Viking Plastics Indiana, we also have in-house tool build and design capabilities. We have experienced, tenured designers and mold makers who are knowledgeable in all types of mold systems and all facets of mold repairs. In addition, our 3D machining services offer exceptional tolerance capability. As a lean manufacturer, we deliver products and services faster, more efficiently, more cost-effectively, and with higher quality. Viking Plastics Indiana is IATF 16949 certified with experience to match highly visible, color-specific interior parts using our spectrophotometer, assuring we meet our customers' high standards of correct color, gloss, and texture. At Viking Plastics Indiana, we are your full-service partner for automotive interior components, from material selection to tool build and design. Visit our website at vikingplastics.com to learn more.